Okay, guess I'm a little scared. This happened in 5 minutes. 3 minutes. I'm leaving the Costco parking lot. That is the divide between the road and 36. And there is so much soot, and you can just see this thing just jumping. It's just jumping, being blown. When they were evacuating the Costco, and as soon as I got outside, just my eyes were filled with soot, and this is the scene. Yeah, you can see it's sunny up there, but all the dark is just smoke and grit. There's so much grit in the air. Wow.